Welcome back to Borak Solutions, where we make the complex simple and the impossible possible, or at least we try. Today we're diving into a topic that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, quantum computing. If you've ever wondered what quantum computing is and why people keep saying it's going to change the world, then buckle up. We're about to enter the quantum realm. Now, before we get too deep, let's start with a quick comparison. Imagine your regular computer is like a reliable old calculator. Great for adding up your grocery bill, not so much for solving the mysteries of the universe. Quantum computers, on the other hand, are like the Avengers of the computing world, capable of tackling problems that are way out of our league. But how do they do it? Let's break it down. So what exactly is quantum computing? At its core, quantum computing is a new type of computing that takes advantage of the strange and mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers, which use bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to a concept called superposition. Confused? Don't worry, so was everyone else at first. Think of a qubit as a superhero with a split personality. Sometimes it's a 0, sometimes it's a 1, and sometimes it's both at the same time. This superposition allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information simultaneously, making them incredibly powerful for certain types of calculations. Let's explore some key concepts that make quantum computing so, quantum. 1. Superposition. As we just mentioned, superposition allows qubits to be in multiple states at once. 1. It's like being in two places at the same time. Imagine the possibilities if you could do that. 2. Entanglement. This is where things get even weirder. 2. When qubits become entangled, the state of one qubit is directly linked to the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. 2. It's like having a telepathic connection between two qubits. Move over, Professor X. 3. Quantum interference. Quantum computers use interference to amplify the correct answers and cancel out the wrong ones. 3. It's like a DJ mixing the perfect beat, where the best solutions rise to the top of the playlist. Quantum interference is the secret sauce that helps quantum computers find the right answers faster than classical computers ever could. It's not just about raw power, it's about using the quirks of quantum mechanics to our advantage. Now you might be wondering, why do we need quantum computers? Aren't our current supercomputers good enough? Well, for most everyday tasks, yes, but for some of the world's most complex problems, like simulating molecular structures for drug discovery, optimizing global logistics, or even cracking encryption, classical computers just can't cut it. Quantum computers, with their ability to handle massive amounts of data and perform calculations at lightning speed, could revolutionize these fields. It's like comparing a bodybuilder to a superhero. Both are strong, but one has superpowers that can make the impossible possible. But before we get too carried away, let's talk about where we are today with quantum computing. The truth is, we're still in the early stages. Today's quantum computers are more like prototypes, impressive but not quite ready to take over the world. They're great for research and solving specific problems, but we're still a few breakthroughs away from having fully functional, general-purpose quantum computers. Think of current quantum computers as baby geniuses, full of potential but still learning how to walk and talk. But once they grow up, watch out. So what does the future hold for quantum computing? Experts predict that as we continue to develop better qubits, improve error correction, and scale up quantum systems, we'll see quantum computers tackle problems that were previously unsolvable. From revolutionizing cryptography to advancing AI, the possibilities are endless. And who knows, maybe one day, quantum computers will help us unlock the secrets of the universe, or at least help us find the best pizza in town. Quantum computing might sound like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming science fact. And while we're not quite there yet, the progress being made is nothing short of extraordinary. So there you have it, Quantum Computing 101. It's a field full of mind-bending concepts and groundbreaking potential. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding scientist, or just someone who loves to stay ahead of the curve, quantum computing is something you'll want to keep an eye on. Thanks for joining me on this quantum journey. If you have any questions, or if there's a quantum concept you want me to dive deeper into, let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Borak Solutions. Until next time, keep those qubits spinning.